Hi, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see from the title below, today I'm going to try all of my clothes. No, not all. I'm just trying all of my t-shirts today because I have a lot of t-shirts. So let's start. Okay, let's start with the basic. Okay, so everybody needs a black basic tee in their wardrobe. A black basic tee can match with literally anything. Doesn't matter the fit, it could be oversized, it could be slim fit, it could be muscle fit, as long as it fits you. Okay, so with a basic tee, it could be in any color. It could be black, white, blue. I have no idea why I decided to choose this green color. It's a freaking green screen color. Look at this. 3, 2, 1, bam. Look at it. Rise and shine, rise and shine. Kylie, stop quaking. Moving on to my favorite section, which is the graphic tees. So this is also one of my favorite tees. It's from the movie Home Alone. Iconic. I remember watching this like on repeat. So talking about iconic movies, there's also Ghostbusters. For this tee, I legit just picked it up because of the graphic. Yes, I'm that superficial. I'm sorry, sue me bitch, sue me. Next up we have this Boston t-shirt. The font I believe is like those like varsity font, like Harvard font. Is it Harvard or varsity? Varsity font. So yeah, I love this t-shirt particularly because of the color. Like it kind of looks green. I think it's a teal. No, it's not teal. It's not teal. What the fuck is this? It's like greenish blue or bluish green. Wait, what color is this? Bluish blue, bluish green, or greenish blue? You know what? F it. Next up on Wednesday we wear pink. Okay, I'm not sure if this is pink or purple. Fuck, another color blindness. I swear I'm not colorblind. I think this is purplish pink. You know what? It's not important. The only important colors are red, yellow, and green. Okay, next up we have this collision shirt. As you can see, this shirt is more on the fitting side. Any form-fitting shirt, I will typically tuck it in. Here we also have another long sleeve t-shirt from Collision. As you can see, I don't know why I was into the very busy looking graphics. Okay, next up we have our tie-dye tees. Okay, I love this t-shirt because of the material. It's super soft. Super soft. Okay, so this t-shirt is from Topman. I kind of love like it's very those like traditional kind of tie-dye pattern. You know, the circular one. 5 stars. This is more of the bleach kind of tie-dye. I love this tone. I love neutral tone. Next up we have this Iron Maiden graphic tee. Okay, this tie-dye, this red tie-dye is just a warning, it will bleed. I remember washing it with like my gray shirt, and my gray shirt turned out pink. I was like, what the heck? Next up we have the orange Freedom tie-dye shirt. I think this is just a random print from ASOS. Dragon tie-dye print. Okay, I kind of love this. I think the dragon is quite badass, no? But as you can see, this fit is also more to the slimmer side, so I will usually tuck this in. But I kind of feel like a firebender, you know? Either firebender or Shigo from Kim Possible. Kim Possible, come and get me if you want to reach me. Okay, last but not least, we have this Muscle Tank tie-dye t-shirt. This has like 4 colors. Is it 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I think it's 4. So yeah, talking about Muscle Tank, so the only kind of like sleeveless t-shirt that I love to wear is Muscle Tank. So bam, next up we have the Muscle Tank tees. So the reason why I love Muscle Tank, particularly oversized Muscle Tank, is because they usually have a drop shoulder. You kinda have an illusion that your shoulders are like broader. This is from the brand Brave Soul. I love it so much that I bought it in 5 different colors. So I got it in grey, I got it in blue, I also got it in green, I got it in black, and I also got it in white. Bam! Gotta catch 'em all. Let me show you more of my muscle tank. As you can see, this is from the Packers. I love the color. Next up, we have the Outcast print. If black muscle tank, I prefer to wear it with denim, and then I like to tuck it in and use the belt. Kind of give like those like late 90s, early 2000s feel. You feel me? You feel me? Bam! I also love anything like contrast stitching. Is it a plain muscle tank? Nope. Bam! Surprise, bitch. Graphic at the back. Last but not least, we have these striped tees. Alright, so I'm going to show you what kind of fit I don't really love. As you can see, this striped tee is a little bit too slim fitting for my liking, and as you can see, the sleeve length is quite awkward. It kind of ends off like slightly after my elbow. I don't mind that length if it was oversized. Okay, talking about striped tee, of course you will need your basic black and white tee. So this is an oversized splice striped crop top. So usually with any like crop tops, I'll usually wear anything high-waisted. Alright, we have come to the end of the video. That was my whole, not everything, that was like I'll say 90% of my t-shirt collection. That was tiring. So if you like this video, remember to give it a like and a subscribe. Maybe I'll do a t-shirt, outerwear and hoodies collection next. See you on my next video. Peace. 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 My legs are cramping. Cramp.